me, the most important thing that's ever come out of Destin, Florida is Steve Sauer and Buddy Gentry's boats.
I'll just sum it up like this. I wouldn't trade that time for anything in the world.
G&S boat is designed and then built from the cockpit forward. It's a true fishing platform, and there's only 52 of them in the world.
The town has a little sense of pride that we're a little bitty fishing village that has a #1 fishing boat by guys that used to fish here.
It was just teamwork. It was a big team. That's all it was.
And these boats are works of art. These are boats that were built by Buddy Gentry, a fisherman, by Steve Sauer, an engineer, on putting them together for fishermen, and I don't think they can be replaced.